All right, so first thing that I want to do to this Jeep is get something to try to keep the heat out of it just a little bit. This isn't going to be a permanent fixture just yet, but I'm going to put these carpets that I bought off of Amazon. It's waterproof carpet, and so hopefully it'll last a long time with getting wet and everything else. Just going to put it right here. For now, I'm going to go ahead and I don't have any more drain plugs, so I'm going to buy some of those or order some of those off of Amazon. Whenever I do, I'll install those in. I'm also going to repaint the floorboards to hopefully keep it from rusting and stuff like that. And then that's why I'm not going to permanently install these carpets just yet. I'm just going to set them in there to just kind of try to keep the heat out for now. It comes with the front floorboards, and then it comes with the front floorboards. It comes with behind the seat. It doesn't come with the very back. On the very back end, it has a lot more carpet, but I don't really know if I want that there. So I'm just going to try to show you the ease of it. Whatever it may be, you just pull the Velcro and take it out. You can probably spray that off with a garden hose or something if you needed to. You got plenty of mud in it or something. Spray it off with a garden hose, clean your floorboards, and then reinstall it. Stick it right back to the Velcro again. Now, I wouldn't be doing that all the time, but at the same time, live on a dirt. It says on the website, or it says on the description, I like floor mats, so I'm going to be using them. It also, here's the rest of it. Here's the Velcro, the heat shield, another heat shield. One's obviously for the driver, one's for the passenger side. And then this is what will go behind your seats in the, what would be the passenger floorboard, which I don't have a passenger seat. I will not have a passenger seat. So there's that.